minus 185 to plus 500 degrees Celsius. Here at InTEST Thermal, we're often asked why we offer such wide temperature ranges. Most widgets don't require testing at those extreme temperatures. Military standard is minus 55 to plus 125, and commercial standards are only minus 40 to plus 80. So what gives? Why would anyone besides NASA want a system that's capable of minus 80 or even minus 180? The answer is throughput. If getting your widget to temperature quickly is important, then using a system with a higher thermal capacity will speed up throughput. It was Isaac Newton who understood this 300 years ago. That's why he came up with Newton's law of cooling.
The rate of change of the widget is proportional to the difference between the temperature of the widget and the temperature of the air.
In thermal engineering terms today, we refer to this temperature difference as delta T. This graph shows just how much you could improve throughput by increasing delta T. If we drive our widget to minus 40 with a minus 55 system, it will take 200 seconds. If we drive our widget to minus 40 with a minus 90 system, it will take half that time. By increasing delta T, we're doubling our throughput. However, delta T is not the only thing to consider. We can see this in the actual thermal equation. Q is the amount of heat transferred. Hc is the heat coefficient, which basically means the airflow properties. A is the surface area of the widget, and dt is delta T. And once we know the thermal equation is right, we can improve throughput even more by designing systems that make it easy to load and unload the widgets. Test setups can be complicated, with many cables and connectors. An air forcing system can fit right over the setup. Or a chamber's windows, apertures, and cable notches can make it easy to monitor and access the setup. In the end, it's about building a temperature system that's right for your application. Whether it's a chamber, a thermostream, a platform, or a process chiller. Here at InTEST Thermal, minus 185 to plus 500 C is just part of the equation that's used to provide our customers with the right temperature system. So if you need temperature for your test or process, call us today. We can do something cool together.